Alright, yo, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Mari. Back with another video today. We still trying to come back on this account. Again, I said I had took a bit loss on this account, so we like a little over 50% down in this account. So we trying to work our way back up. So yeah, we at 399.23. The goal is to get back to 700, so we can be even and then be profitable from there. So should we get to it? Same strategy I always use, same concept, same everything. You feel me? I should read my trading laws, but I done read them so much. I know what to do. But if to know about the trading laws I'm talking about, join my free Discord. The link will be in the description. If you go into the trading education section, I should have a drive with the ebook showing you how to do this strategy and a video in the drive, me breaking it down live on how to do it also. And it may got a little, strong language in the video, but I was breaking it down to my own way, and we were just talking how we normally talk. So just a heads up. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, boom, off the rip, I'm loving this. Outside the Keltner, uptrend. Yeah, this money right here. I ain't gonna lie, hold on. That was kind of too early. It's all good though. That was kind of too early. That's why you always want a back test before you do something. I had got excited, y'all. I think, is this it? Okay. Yeah, I had got excited, y'all. Nah, hey, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. We took that L. Damn. Like I said, we had got in a little too early. I had just got excited, but this is the right one. Look, we ain't won this yet, cause it can. You see how it playing around? It can shoot all the way down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, I think we good. 3, 2, 1. Ka-ching, you feel me? So remember, go back down. Like you see how I doubled up to 28? I'm gonna go back down to 14 to the original spot where we starting off at. Alright, we at 410. I'm gonna play that D-Baby real quick. D-Baby cranking, boy. D-Baby hard.
First things first, I did it. First things first.
Damn, my bad.
First, I did it. Bro, if I knew that was your bitch, I would've still hit it. You think cause I rap, I ain't with it. Police talking on the phone about some real business. 15 million for 2 albums, boy, that's real business. I know the devil working on us, bitch, we still winning. Helicopters on my car, windows real tinted. You gon' start some shit you want, that baby will finish. She want me cause I'm a star, okay, I get it. She won't fuck me off a bar, okay, I'm with it. Can't jump back in this car. You can't jump back in this car. What's that sound from? Yeah, I ain't ASAP Rocky, you ain't Riri. Bitch, I bet not ever hear you say you need me. Get you out my face, bitch, you ain't 3D. I ain't Drake, but do you love me? Kiki. If you ever think of me, just ring me. She woke up on the water, now she sinking. I told Lily, keep it silent, you get bling bling. Feeling me, I feel in love with a ting ting. I could take you out on a trip, pick an island. Hit fast cars, baby, you could pick where we riding. Take your phone out, you could take a pic, baby, we ain't hiding. Is you free, baby? Then you come and fuck me while I'm driving. I hate that I told you leave, I want you wrong. Yeah, penthouse, it's going down. Pedal to the floor, boy, she go wrong. I ain't tryna record, hopefully when I'm sound. Yeah, I ain't ASAP Rocky, you ain't Riri. Bitch, I bet not ever hear you say you need me. Get you out my face, bitch, you ain't 3D. I ain't Drake, but do you love me? Kiki. If you ever think of me, just ring me. She woke up on the water, now she sinking. I told Lily, keep it silent, you get bling bling. Feeling me, I feel in love with a ting ting. I can take you out on a trip, check out island. Fast cars, baby, you could pick where we ride. Take your phone out, you could take a pic, baby, we ain't hiding. Is you free, baby? Baby, come and fuck me while I'm driving. I hate that I told you leave, I want you wrong. Penthouse, it's going down. Pedal to the floor, boy, she go wrong. I ain't tryna record, hopefully when I'm sound.
Alright, I'm done after that. Yeah, see. I'm done. Yeah, I ain't forcing nothing else, man. See, I went all the way down to 7. I ain't forcing. I just seen some.
Gorilla on the track.
And only thing about these crypto pairs is way more volatile, but I had used the volatile strategy. It's scary. Yeah, I don't think. I don't know. You see the drastic change. It's like you don't know if you won or not. That bitch, you see that bitch shoot right back up. We might got one. That was scary, y'all. So look, we gonna go back to. Should we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? We're gonna stay away from cryptocurrency because they just stupid volatile right now.
I'm in the yard double car on right now, real for me. I'm in the lab with man Quay, rich shit, real for me. Baby, do it with your name, you look real for me. I'm gonna charge it to the gang, I'm a player, man. When it coming on blitz, Maybach's coming in 6. I can make myself mad, why she all for sex? She wanna jump on jet, bitch, you gon' come off me. If money make you feel better, why the fuck I'm still depressed? I gotta watch how I shake my folks, these days it's hard to vent. Time with the people who love me the most, it's like it's hardly spent. I stay far from ones I love the most, it's safe for them. How many ways you got that Dior bag or baby Benz? Celebrate with me on 50,000 of them ones.
I think we done. I think we done for today. We're not down 30, bro. This shit not updating right. Cause we was at $3.99 when we started. We at $4.20, so we really up $20. This shit tripping. Yeah, this shit be tripping sometimes. We up 20. You seen before we started it was $3.99. Now it's $4.20. So we in profit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, join Discord. Discord, I'm gonna have sport picks in there, trading education if you want to learn how to trade. On the trading ebook, the video, crypto ebook videos, motivation videos, bruh, everything you need, man, to make it, and everything you need to learn. Everything you want to learn and need to learn will be in there, in those categories, you know what I'm saying? And get in there while it's free, because once a certain amount of people in that group make a certain amount of money, I'm charging. I'm saying it in every video, so niggas won't be surprised. But right now, everything free. I'm just giving value. So, yeah, man, let's get it.